So when we talk about safe sewage for Africa, basically what we mean is we are turning something that everybody thinks is harmful, is waste, and that needs to be discarded back to something valuable, just like what you see here. This is recycled water from sewage. Probably later we'll be able to fetch the raw sewage and show you. Okay. So basically sewage treatment is a combination of science, biology, chemistry, and all that. So when you acquire an ecocycle system, what you have to do is first you need to build a tank. Yeah. Okay, of course before you build, we'll do the designs, we'll do the calculations and come up with the best capacity per day. And we always design the systems based on the population of people occupying a premises. Okay. So what happens is a tank will be built as per our dimensions. So in this case, this is the tank where the sewage sits. It's usually about 5.6 meters by 2 meters wide, so taking very little space in your home. Okay. So the last manhole comes there, like all the sewage from the house, from showers, toilets, kitchens, bathrooms, hand wash sinks, we take everything. Okay. Unlike other systems where you will be told to separate the other type of wastewater from toilets, we take everything and everything comes to this little system. So when it comes in, it flows into the first chamber. So this tank is divided into 4 chambers. Okay. So you see the inflowing. You may have some yuck factor moment, because this is where you see the real raw sewage. Wow, that's the sewage. So it's flowing in and then it overflows to the second chamber. Now you can smell it. Now so we need to close it so that it doesn't get smelly. Now it's smelling because it's not processed. So it overflows to the second chamber. Okay. And the design is to enable any solids or non-biodegradables to remain there. So
this already smells better.
Yes. So you just had the system turn on its own because we have a PLC, programmable logic control. So it's an automated system with its own brain. So it has timings to come on and off. And what it's doing now, this is an air compressor, sucking air from the environment and infusing it down into the sewage through these air hoses that you see running through this conduit. So basically I'll try to keep it very simple. It's biology and chemistry, biochemistry. Yeah. So our sewage has microorganisms. Yes. If you give them oxygen, you're helping them to grow and mutate. So when they mutate, the new bacteria, for them to form their mass, part of what is in the fecal matter is their food. So the fecal matter that we think is waste is actually what they need to grow. So as they feed on it, they generate water and CO2, and that's how you remove the fecal matter out of the sewage. So this takes about 8 hours from when raw sewage is fed in. This is called aeration, like infusing oxygen. Yes. And after 8 hours, the breakdown will have happened. Then the machine will go off on its own, go into settling mode. The clear water comes on top. The biomass goes down. So the clear water, again, the machine pumps it to the last chamber. Okay, so
now we're at the last chamber.
So maybe I need to fetch once more so you don't think we took it from a tap.
Okay. So she's going to fetch the water and see how clean it looks.
Let's see whether my village tactics still work. Perfect.
Hey. Look
so
at that.
This is clear, odorless water from sewage. Yes, no smell. You can confirm.
Oh, wow, no smell.
So when we say safe sewage for Africa, this is what we mean, and we are living it, we are doing it. Clients are enjoying green spaces courtesy of recycled water. So we can support the president to plant the 15 billion trees by recycling all the sewage in Kenya and in Nairobi and keep green spaces and ensure no sewer pollution in the environment. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And of course, we're standing at someone's house, in someone's garden. So maybe we'll also get a bit of, feedback from them on how it is, because they live here day to day. So we'd like to know if this water is truly odorless.
Sure.
All right, and with me I have Justina, the homeowner of this beautiful home right here with this lush garden. And of course, this is where the plant is, the sewage recycling plant. Maybe you can tell us more about your experience with EcoCycle, how long you've had it installed in this particular house, and how it's been so far. Is EcoCycle 100% odorless, the water that is recycled, that is?
Oh, thank you very much. I'm actually very excited about EcoCycle. It's been 6.5 years since we got this system.
Yes.
And it has been lovely all the way around. You can see the lawn is green, and has been my biggest desire, to have a lawn that is green and that is really lively, and you love just walking around when the lawn is like this and the fence is green.
Yeah.
So that is the most important aspect about this system, and the fact that the water comes out when it is very clean. Like you've already seen it. It comes out odorless and very clean, and yeah, it's been very good to have this system. And the other bit about this system is that it helps us to economize on water.
Yeah.
Like you realize, all of us in Kenya, the seasons are changing. We are having less and less rain. And so if you can be able to maximize the water that you're using and do so much with it, then that's a plus to me. And the other thing is that it is natural. It's a natural way of watering your grass and whatever else it is here. It doesn't have chemicals. And that is also a plus to me, because I don't like chemicals. So actually we are very happy. We are very happy